Good evening, everyone. It's December 7th, 2008. Looks like there won't be a COMEX default this month in December. So far, though, gold deliveries for December has reached 40%, approximately just over 40%. Gold deliveries of all the COMEX gold that is eligible for delivery. It's actually under the registered notice. Also, silver is 32% of the total COMEX supplies has been taken for delivery. There are a few people out there that believe that a COMEX default means higher prices. I want you to know that I don't believe that's going to be the case, based on prior defaults of exchanges. When nickel defaulted, the price fell through the floor. So I expect the same thing, because who wants to buy a paper promise when you're not going to get any gold? And that's the whole point of taking delivery, and the whole point of backwardation in gold and silver is that, yes, the future price is more expensive. I mean, sorry, not more expensive, it's cheaper than today's price, because you're not too sure if 30 days from now or 90 days from now you're going to get your gold or silver. There isn't enough to go around, really. So that is the reason why we're going to eventually have this COMEX default, and of course price is going to fall through the floor. Now, as for between now and March, which is the next major delivery date, delivery month, well, what I see with the price of gold is gold and silver should fall through the floor, should break through their major support levels of 710 for gold and 850 for silver. You should see a huge breakdown on silver and gold. So, I mean, I of course I want you to know, I want everyone to take my information with a grain of salt, because at the end of the day, I'm just some guy on the internet. Right? So keep that in mind. Now, of course, right, I've been researching it, and I just want to share my information, and based on my research, that's what I see happening. However, if you have no gold and you have no silver yet, I suggest you pick some up at any price, because this price is less than producer price. So I mean, you're getting it for less than the cost of what the producer makes it for. So pick it up. Mike Maloney of goldandsilver.com is offering Silver Eagles First Strike, which are generally known as numismatic coins, and basically he's selling them for the going rate of Silver Eagles. And Silver Eagles happen to have the highest premium out there, but the reason why is because I believe they're the most beautiful coins that silver coins that you can find. But also, once the United States Mint eventually stops producing them because of the shortage of silver is realized in the mainstream media and so forth, that producers are going to start screaming at the government to say, hey, stop minting these coins and stuff like that, and they're just going to oblige. Now, don't give me this crap about the Constitution, because have you looked at America lately? Okay. Now, I'd like to, if you decide to go over there and purchase gold, and silver or gold from Mike Maloney, I would like you to thank him for sending me this book, right? And he actually autographed it, right, for me, right there, right? Tell him thanks. I didn't realize that he sent it to me. I just saw it in the mail, and I thought it was one of the books that I've ordered, and started to reading, and I thought it was really good. Should give him a call and thank him myself, but I've been real busy. Anyways, the next book I'm going to be reading right now, because I've already read his book, is Peter Schiff's book. And then I'm going to read this book, right? Creature from Jekyll Island. Right? Now, what I want to do with the future of this video blog is change it as when the comics does default and as we go along. What I plan to do is provide information for people who don't want to necessarily invest. And if you feel that gold and silver is an investment, you're wrong. Gold and silver is money. They're not investments. Now, what I want to do is, because Don Harrell, for example, he is a day trader. He also provides swing trading, which is just basically trading a few stocks here and there over a few days. And I've tried it. I didn't like it. I don't like trading stocks. I don't feel comfortable staying in the dollar at all, knowing what I know, and trading stocks in and out. Also, I realized that I just want to save my money, and I can't save paper money, obviously, right? So I don't want to trade from one horse to another horse. And of course, yes, I know I've read a lot of documentations from different traders, and they all say the same thing, that you cannot buy and hold. Buy and hold is dead. However, the problem is, for me to take the step of trading, I have to completely be comfortable with what I'm buying and when I'm selling. I don't know when that point is. So one of the major things I don't know how to do is how to take a loss. How to know, okay, well, I've lost so much money in this, let me just get out of it. Don't know how to do that. Or I've made so much money, right? When do I get out? I don't know how to do that either, right? So what I've noticed is that it takes time for me to shift my thinking towards another product or another item that I want to purchase, stocks or whatever. So it will take me time to figure out, okay, when to get in and when to get out. So I don't have that mentality of a trader. Trader has that mentality. A trader knows when to get in, knows when to get out, and knows how to take a loss. And most of us don't. We just want to save our money. And that's how I am. I used to think I was risky. I used to believe that I was a risky investor. But really, what I just wanted to do was just give somebody my money and say, invest in the most riskiest assets, and I don't want to look at it. Just get me the big returns. And obviously that hasn't worked out for me in the past. And now I know where I'm supposed to be when it comes to investing. And if you're interested in this type of investment, where we're going to eventually have to move to another investment from gold, right, and silver, but we're gonna see it coming. We're gonna know when to get out when it comes, and move our money when the date comes. And that's what I'm researching, is to buy gold and silver, know when to buy when the dips come, and get out when the time to get out it has reached, or whenever, if I need some liquidity, when a top has been reached, so I can get some money out. All right, well, that's it for tonight. Thanks a lot. Thanks for listening.